garage. I just said it's too warm. Today I have with me Lewis and Nate, both taking sort of a headphone nap type thing on their way. Nate will be our main tech on this job, and I'll be assisting him with like advice and holding the camera and stuff like that. It should be interesting. Nate's a pretty good technician. He's learning. He's getting better. Soon enough, he'll be the best technician we've got.
Even if you use Google Maps coming to this place, half the time
I use Google Maps as an address to Davie.
it'll send you there, or the people that are coming there come here. Back when they built these places, they were way away from everything. So that's it.
I'm guessing it's this one.
Yep.
As usual, these shelves turn backwards.
Pardon me.
A lot of people think that these shelves are like this for these to keep food from falling off the front,
Yeah.
but
Go the other way. I let her do whatever she wants, and I say yes, ma'am.
Good idea. They're to keep the food from going all the way to the back wall, so they keep circulation going.
Gotcha.
So,
And I will tell you this: it does get packed quite full.
says the compressor should be on. Says the fan should be on. So, here you go.
Well, there you go. I gotta go back down to the plumbers real quick here.
He got your call, but he was talking. That's more suspicious. Not enough to make it not work, though. Sounds like the compressor tried to come on, but ended up not. Back there. Oh, they zip tied it. No luck. Maybe let's get it from the back.
Maybe. Let's try to pull it up. Means it's recording everything we do.
Does it record you outside too?
Yeah.
What gen is it? Not every Tesla has cameras all over it.
Yeah, we do.
Really?
I think it's really good. Okay, so we know it's not starting. That's less than half a horsepower, so let's unplug it. Let's put a 3-in-1 on there. Whoops, that's the fridge.
Okay, how do we get this thing off? Brute force.
Here, you want me to pull the screw off for you?
Oh.
And that's what do you mean?
Didn't you tell can I turn this entire thing off?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you came back. They have another place they were going to today, that's why I stuck around.
The pro is just doing some wiring.
Oh, me?
So the pro is doing some wiring.
Oh.
All I'm doing is documenting his genius.
Cut these things off because they're annoying.
Yeah.
That comes off.
Maybe what we want is some of those fittings you can just plug into those two wires, right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Lewis, can you get me some of the ones that are just flat? Flat pieces of metal fittings.
Got him?
No. It's these ones right here. Two little flat ones. So if you take these, they slide right in.
Yeah. Okay. Those two wires are the wires that go into, feed the power to the start components, which feeds power to the compressor. And those two wires can be either, they're both black, so they can be either hot or neutral. Either one of them, doesn't matter which one you hook those two up to, right?
Alright, all finished.
Okay, let's plug it in, see if it comes on. The compressor light is blinking, which means it's
On the way.
which means it's on compressor start delay. Once it goes solid, it means the compressor is starting. And we'll find out if we wired it right. Yeah. Come on.
Yep. Stay on.
It's still on.
So now what we gotta
Let's put it all back together. Starts out at 54. Let's see where it is by the time we get it put together. It's pushing on these lines. You're gonna have to pull those lines in.
Oh, you found the problem?
Yeah, it's all fixed.
Oh, what was it?
Had the compressor had a bad start relay on it.
Oh, I see.
Luckily we had a new one on the van, so just put it in.
Simple enough.
Okay, we're all finished up. Let's ask Nate how he felt like it went. How did it go?
It's pretty easy. It's a
Synopsis?
simple 3-in-1 call. Get them pretty often. Really not much to it besides changing it. So,
There you have it. A simple 3-in-1 call. All done. Thanks for watching.